If you ask me that this is the right time to start blockchain development because we have the demand for the project for decentralized finance, real estate management, asset management. We have the demand for all of this segment, but we don't have the developers who can understand the core concept of each one of this technology and build a powerful product. So, like I was recently hired a couple of developer. I was taking interview. They have included amazing project in their portfolio, but they don't have any conceptual level understanding that why they have implemented. There was a lot of bug in the contract. They are just executing the transaction without doing the validation. They are using the transaction of origin in the transaction. As you know that that's vulnerable in the smart contract. So building a conceptual level understanding in the smart contract is very much important, because once you understand the structure of the contract, that how program is getting executed, how things are happening, then it would be easy for you to implement and give the guidance to the AI structure, include in your workflow. You can do that very easily. But you have to have the understanding of the core programming language and the fundamental architecture, that how data is getting stored, how we can able to map all of that. So these are the few things you have to understand. If you really produce a good project, if you really have the skills, you will be appreciated, because it's $1 trillion economy right now in the decentralized finance. And crypto blockchain has always been in this way, ups and downs. Right now we are getting more purified version of the blockchain. Earlier there was a lot of noise, but right now it's getting stabilized, and that's happened with all the technology. So we are in the stabilized phase where you can see that what kind of projects are coming on the blockchain. So we have the real estates, NFT, decentralized finance, lending, borrowing, fintech. These are the products we are having at the moment, which require deeper understanding about the protocol, how the transaction work, how multi-layer work, how execution work. All of things you have to understand, how you can able to flag any particular wallet, so stop the transaction. That kind of things you have to understand. And if you don't have the fundamentals, then it's totally waste. If you generate a boilerplate or simple smart contract, or maybe a complex smart contract without having an understanding, it can be a vulnerable. Obviously the contract is going to hold $1 million, $1 trillion money into it. You can't be writing a contract totally dependent on the AI. You can't do that. You need to build a system. You need to have the control over the code structure, that what is getting generated, how it's getting generated, how it's going to be executed. These are things you have to understand. It's very, very important for you. That's why I'm telling you, it is the golden time for you to build your skill. If you give your 3 to 4 months without this AI noise, if you give your consistent 3 months, and after that, once you will start integrating this AI model into your workflow, because when you will start working in the company, you will get this AI assistance. The companies are giving you to foster your development, to increase your productivity. They're not there here to replace the developer. So you can utilize this AI workflow to generate the architecture, whatever the code you have written, to generate the README file, to generate the document. Those kind of things you can do it. And how you can utilize it in a proper way, when you will have the complete understanding, you can give the command, okay, this is the login credential, or this is the transaction flow we have in the contract, which execute and call the another contract. So instead of transferring the funds straight away, you can hold that, where you will have the more authority. And once you validate the entire model, entire data set, then you can pass the more fund to that particular contract, so it can borrow to the user. And how are you going to deduct the commission you're going to earn? Because if you look at the Aave protocol we have, it's give 8 to 6% commission. How are you going to divide those commission in a single transaction? So all of things are very important and very complex. You have to understand that how you're going to implement each one of these one by one. So that's why I'm telling you, this is the time where you have to focus dedicatedly on the smart contract. Build a project, because once you will start building project which is going to be connected with one another. So for example, you are learning solely smart contract development. Whatever rules, whatever logic you have implemented in those examples, how are you going to implement in the real project, which is going to communicate with the decentralized product? So these kind of things is very important. This is very important, and you have to work on this. You have to work on this. Trust me, if you give your next 3 months, you will see the changes in yourself. You don't need to be roam around here and there, because you have the strong foundation. And once you have the strong foundation, it would be always worth. The scenario will change, the company will change, but you will get the always first preference by the company, by the work, by the organization. You will be the first choice always. We're not going to hire anyone who's doing vibe coding. Trust me, it's good for them, so they can build their own product based on their use case. But when it's come to spending money, when it's come to taking client project, I don't want to give the work to a newbie. I need someone who have the content understanding, those who know that how what they're exactly building. I don't want to have an application which has like 100 or 20 lines, 100 or 1000 lines of bug into it. I don't want to have that. I want a project which can be scalable, well architected, better and secure, free of bug, and who understand the code structure. So these are the important things we actually have to know as a blockchain developer, and this will help you a lot if you really want to maximize your salary in your current job role. When you will have the understanding, then definitely you will have a good package. And those who are getting the package, those who are getting higher right now, they know their work very well. They know their work very well. That's why they're getting that money from the company, because getting money from someone's pocket, it's the really toughest things you can do. And when you are getting that money from someone, then you are providing a real value. That's why they're giving you the money, because nobody going to give you money for free and just for a simple work or for a minimum work. No one's going to give you the money. So just try to keep that in mind. This is the right time for you. Start learning, start building project, build a particular roadmap. Just follow it one step at a time. Whatever you are learning, just try to connect with the project, connect with the entire roadmap. That's the best thing you can do. If you are learning some technology, try to implement the next one. Try to implement that when you are building the project. So this is the thing you have to keep in mind.